Hello class. Today we're going to learn how to borrow. So far you've learned how to subtract a smaller number from a bigger number, but what do you do when you have to subtract a bigger number from a smaller number? That's what we'll learn how to do today by going over some examples and looking at some manipulatives. First, let's take a look at the problem on the board. 63 minus 25. We start the problem by checking the ones place and asking ourselves, can we take away? In this problem, we're not able to subtract 5 from 3 because the 5 is bigger. That's why we need to borrow. Before we do that, let's look at the number blocks to help us see how borrowing works. Here we have 6 10 blocks and 3 1 blocks. We want to take away 25. Because we can't take away 5 from only 3 1s blocks, we need to borrow from the 10s blocks. So let's turn one of the 10s blocks into 1s blocks. Now we have enough 1s blocks to take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 1s blocks. That tells us how many goes in the 1s place. Now we look at the 10s place. Because we borrowed a 10s blocks, we only have 5 left. We need to take away 2 10s blocks. This leaves us with 3 10s blocks. Let's count up how many blocks are remaining. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. When we count up all of our blocks, we're left with 38. Now let's solve this on the board. Because we can't subtract the 5 from the 3, we need to borrow. So we'll take away from the 6 and write a 5 above it and add the 10 to the 3. That'll give us 13. Now we can subtract 13 from 5, and just like with the number blocks, we get 8. We move over to the 10s place. Take away 2 from 5, and we get 3. The answer is 38, just like with the number blocks. And that is how you borrow.